climate change update for the week because media just hates covering the most important issues. First of all, let's go to Texas, where in Houston, tornadoes are tearing through suburbs. In Cyprus, entire sections of roofs are being ripped away and garage doors crushed inwards. More than 20,000 people have lost power as trees are falling, lines are snapping, and debris has covered entire neighborhoods. Winds have reached over 100 miles an hour in Cyprus and Klein and turned quiet streets into piles of shattered branches. Families are being forced out of homes, and roofers are spending the entire Tuesday, just today, cutting down damaged trees and trying to patch what they can, while storms are forcing their way across the south. Next, in Bangladesh, just last week, a 5.5 magnitude earthquake struck central Dhaka, injuring hundreds and causing tragic casualties. Crowds are running through the streets, roofs and walls are collapsing onto citizens, killing people, and fire crews are rushing to reports of tilted buildings and fires. The worst injuries came from Gazipur, where hundreds of garment workers stampeded each other trying to get to hospitals, running out of factories, and television cameras showed relatives crying outside emergency rooms as students jumped down the upper floors of the university trying to escape. Climate change alters influences on earthquakes by allowing pressures on the Earth's crust to rise through processes like glacial melting, sea level rise, and changes in the water cycle. Finally, we're going to cover Typhoon Kalmeki, which actually happened at the beginning of this month, but I haven't really been covering anything. So earlier this month, Typhoon Kalmeki killed hundreds in the Philippines and Vietnam, ripping apart towns and villages with winds near 150 kilometers per hour. They flooded towns that were already reaching record levels of breaking rain, and in central Vietnam, soldiers were deployed to wade through wreckage to reach families that needed help. The Philippines faced the worst destruction after torrents of rain sent mud and debris crashing into roofs of the poorest neighborhood and swept buses and cars across the street. This level of damage is not random. The ocean is hotter now because of trapped greenhouse gases, which is giving storms more fuel and allowing them to intensify faster. Thank you all for watching, and stay sustainable and stay safe.